How to make an order on Temu application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily place an order on Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Temu application on your device. After that, log in with your account details. Once you have logged in, simply choose a particular item which you want to shop. So I'm choosing this watch here. I'll click on add to cart and choose the particular item which I want to purchase. Now, once I click on add to cart, then at the top you see the option of free shipping and cart. Simply click on it and then it will direct you to checkout. After you click on checkout, here you need to provide some details of your account, first name, last name, your location where you want the item to be shipped. After providing all these details, you will be able to check out and place an order on Temu. So that's it. That is how easily you can order an item on Temu application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.